Okay, we have a Eisen CNC tool room lathe, model CT1118 CNC. It's 11-inch swing, 18-inch centers. You have a Fanuc OI Mate TB control. We also have digital hand wheels for the for your Z and your X axis. Right now, we're running a little program. It's at 1500 RPM. Machine also has a manual 5C collet closer. The nose of the machine is a built-in 5C, and it has a 6-jaw chuck on top of that right now. 3-jaw. We're running. Machine's very silent. He stopped it. He's jogging it. Again, the bed is very, very clean. No scoring. Cross slide. Both axes, again, are pretty quiet here. Very quiet. That's a digital hand wheel. Pulse generator. Okay, I think also if you change the screen, you can show the, as a, yep, there you can see it moving, there you go, as a DRO. You can turn both axes at once. There you go, you see that on the screen. Okay, and I guess just run that spindle again, show that the, the tailstock has a number 2 Morse taper. 1500 again. It goes up to 4000. 1600, you're hearing the collet closer a little bit. 2000, sorry. So anyway, it goes up to 4000 RPM. It's programmable. You have ball screws on 2 axes and servo motors. You have a Yaskawa spindle drive for the programmable spindle speed. And that's the brake. There's your tailstock. Wiring is nice and clean. Serial number of this machine is 9408057. Thank you for watching our video.